In this example, we want to use the base change formula for logarithms to approximate a value of a logarithm. This example asks us to use the base change formula to approximate log base 3 of 4.78 out to 4 decimal places. So first of all, what I want to do is remind ourselves of the base change formula for logarithms. Remember that for any logarithm, log base b of m, I can rewrite this in terms of any other base that I want in the following way. Log base a, I can change from base b to base a, of m over log base a of b. So let's use this to help us approximate log base 3 of 4.78. If you look on your calculator, you'll know that you only really have two options. You have log base 10 or log base e, which is also called the natural logarithm. So we want to use one of those two options in order to approximate log base 3 of 4.78. I'll do both just so you can see that you get the same answer. So the first one, we want to take log base 3, so 3 is our old base, of 4.78. And we want to convert this to log base 10. So we convert this to log base 10 because I have log base 10 on my calculator. You can, of course, not write the 10 here. I'm going to write it here just to remind ourselves of what base we're dealing in. But if you just write log, that's the same thing as writing log base 10 of 4.78 over log base 10 of 3. Okay, so I'm going to make a quick calculation and approximate this. When we approximate this out to 4 decimal places, we get that this expression is about equal to 1.4240. Now let's do the same thing with log base e, or natural logarithm, and see what we come up with and compare it to this answer. Let me just make some room here. So this time, we're going to take log base 3 of 4.78, and we want to use the natural logarithm. This, remember, just means log base e. This also works out to be about 1.4240. So as you can see, you get the same answer either way. And I encourage you to check that yourself on your calculator. In this problem, we used the base change formula for logarithms to rewrite a logarithm of an inconvenient base, base 3, into a more convenient base, base 10 or base e, in order to evaluate the expression in the calculator.